Across the globe, tall mobile towers stand sentinel, their frames rising through the sky. They seem voiceless and lifeless. But did you know that these towers are constantly speaking? They share secrets, exchange stories, and broadcast signals every second. Yet few can truly hear, few can understand, and fewer still can see what they are really saying. At Consultix, we built an instrument that listens, interprets, and translates cellular signals into clear insights. We created CellScout. When towers tell their tales, CellScout listens and understands everything. Meet your intelligent companion for monitoring, analyzing, and troubleshooting cellular networks in real time. View real-time KPIs instantly or track them visually with gauges. And monitor performance trends over time with dynamic charts. CellScout makes the invisible quite visible. Trusted by engineers and network professionals, CellScout makes network analysis faster, smarter, and more efficient. With CellScout, you save time, improve coverage, and work smarter. Take your network analysis to the next level. But discover more at www.consultixwireless.com.